The truth about food expiration dates. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel today. We have an eye-opening topic to discuss that might change the way you look at those food expiration dates in your pantry. Yes, you heard it right. Food expiration dates may not mean what you think they do. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the truth behind those dates. 1. Understanding food expiration dates. First things first, let's start by understanding what those dates actually mean. There are primarily two types of dates you'll find on food products: best before and use by dates. The best before date refers to the quality and taste of the food, while the use by date indicates safety concerns. Contrary to popular belief, these dates are not mandated by law in many countries. In fact, they are often set by the manufacturers themselves based on their own criteria and estimations. So, what does this mean for consumers like us? Let's find out. 2. The myth of instant spoilage. One of the biggest misconceptions about food expiration dates is that once the date has passed, the food automatically becomes unsafe to eat. However, that's not necessarily the case. Most of the time, it's just an indication of when the food is at its best quality. In reality, food can often remain safe and edible beyond its expiration date if stored properly. Factors such as temperature, packaging, and handling play a significant role in determining the actual spoilage of food. So, before you toss that expired item, consider these factors. 3. Trust your senses and common sense. Instead of solely relying on expiration dates, it's important to engage our senses and use common sense when assessing food's freshness. Sight, smell, and taste can be great indicators of whether a food item is still safe to consume. For example, if a product looks and smells fine and hasn't been exposed to extreme temperatures or improper storage conditions, it's likely safe to eat even after the date has passed. Always use your best judgment and remember that expiration dates are just guidelines. 4. Food waste and the environment. One of the significant consequences of relying too heavily on expiration dates is the staggering amount of food waste it contributes to. Every year, tons of perfectly good food end up in the trash simply because the expiration date has passed. By being more mindful of our consumption habits and understanding the true meaning behind these dates, we can reduce food waste significantly. It's essential to educate ourselves and make informed decisions to protect the environment and our wallets. Conclusion. As we conclude today's video, let's remember that food expiration dates are not the ultimate verdict on whether food is safe to eat. They are just guidelines set by manufacturers, and our senses and common sense should play a significant role in determining freshness. By understanding the nuances of food expiration dates, we can reduce waste, save money, and make more informed choices about the food we consume. So, next time you come across an expired item, think twice before you toss it away. That's all for today, folks. Also, let us know your thoughts and experiences with food expiration dates in the comments below. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay informed and stay curious. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.